iOS 18 not installing update on iPhone. Hear the fix. Hey guys! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of iOS 18 not installing on your iPhone. Make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure your iPhone is compatible with iOS 18. Older models, till iPhone X, are not be eligible for the update. iOS 18 is available for iPhone XS and newer models. If your iPhone is compatible but iOS 18 still isn't showing up, it could be a storage issue. Go to Settings. Tap on General and then iPhone Storage. If your device is running low on space, try deleting unused apps or large files to free up storage. Next, your iPhone needs a stable internet connection to download the update. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. If you're using cellular data, switch to Wi-Fi and try again. Sometimes, a quick restart can refresh your system and allow the update to show up. Hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and turn your phone back on. So, that's how you can fix the problem if iOS update isn't showing up on your iPhone. Make sure to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more tech fixes. See you in the next video.